Did you know you don't actually need 1,000 subscribers to start making money from your channel? I know that sounds crazy, but it's true. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 real ways creators are making money from their very first video without waiting months for YouTube to approve them. And number 3 on this list is the one almost nobody talks about, but it's actually the one that pays the most. So stick around till the end, because I'm also going to show you a trick that 99% of new creators completely miss. Here's the problem. Most people think monetization only means one thing: the YouTube partner program, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, and only then does the money start coming in. But that is just one path, and if you only wait for that, you could be creating content for 6 months or more with zero income. So let's break down the 5 ways you can actually start earning right away. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Every tool, app, book, or product you mention in your video can have an affiliate link in your description. When someone clicks that link and buys something, you earn a commission, and this has absolutely nothing to do with your subscriber count. It doesn't matter if you're a story channel, a tech channel, or a cooking channel, there is almost always an affiliate program hiding somewhere in your niche. Even something as simple as recommending a kid's book or an app you use to make your video can quietly become a source of income. Number 2, direct sponsorships. Here's something most beginners don't realize. Brands are not waiting for YouTube to notice you. They are actively searching for creators who have a genuinely engaged audience, even if that audience is small. A channel with 500 loyal viewers who comment and share can be more valuable to a brand than a channel with 50,000 passive subscribers. If your content is in a specific niche, like children's stories, brands that sell kids products, learning apps, or educational tools are constantly looking for exactly that kind of channel to partner with. And now, the point I promised you, number 3, your own product. This is the most powerful method on this entire list, because the money comes directly to you. YouTube doesn't take a cut, and you're not dependent on an algorithm deciding to show your video to people. All you need is one small digital product. It could be a downloadable story collection, a printable activity book for kids, or a bundle of premium stories that aren't available anywhere else. You put the link in your description, and it can be live from day 1. All you need is a simple platform like Gumroad or Payhip to get started, and it takes less than an hour to set up. Number 4, early community support. Once you have even a small audience, features like tips or fan support let people who genuinely enjoy your content contribute directly. This usually isn't a huge amount of money early on, but it does 2 important things. It gives your most loyal viewers a way to support you, and it builds a habit of your audience actively investing in your channel, which pays off much more later. Number 5, repurposing across platforms. Take the same video and cut it down for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Some of these platforms have their own creator funds, so the same piece of content can earn from more than one place. Do, be, sing. And even more importantly, that traffic flows back to your main channel. It speeds up how quickly you qualify for full monetization there too. One video created once, working in 3 different places. So those are the 5 ways you can start earning from the very first video you post without waiting for 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time. If this was helpful, in the next video, I'm going to show you how a single story video can be turned into 3 separate income streams without any extra editing work. So make sure you're subscribed, because you don't want to miss that one.